back to Clean Up with Kelly, or welcome if you're new. If you've been around my channel for a little bit, you know I love the Dollar Tree, especially with doing DIY crafts. So much fun and very cheap to make some really great items. Today's video is a collab with my friend Sarah here on YouTube. I'll be leaving her channel information above and below, so go check out her video after you watch mine. She's going to be making 2 items as well from the Dollar Tree. This video was a lot of fun to make, so let's just get right into it. So this is everything I'm going to be using. This is from the Dollar Tree, so I already used some of these flowers. As you can see, I cut them. This bowl, it's like a plastic garden dish, and then I found this little glass candle holder. I got some more of these little candles, and then these glittered cable scatters. This sign says love, and then I picked up these rose petals. So that is everything that's from the Dollar Tree, and then just some hot glue and this white spray can that I've been using for a while. It was only $1.50 and I got it at Walmart, so that's what I'm going to be using. First thing I'm going to do is spray paint this sign. I'm going to spray it white. I'm going to go ahead and do that outside first. So while that's drying, I'm just going to take this off. Sticker. I'm going to heat up this real quick. So I added some hot glue and I'm going to glue it over here. I'm going to add a candle. Got these little candles. That lights like that. So I think I want to add some of these petals in. I'm going to put these around. And then I'm going to also add some of these. So I had these from Christmas time, and I think I'm going to add them around the bowl just to kind of make it match the center here. So I'm going to stick these on. I did get these from the Dollar Tree as well. Okay, so I'm going to cut off these 2 pieces. And I'm going to add just a little bit of these flowers in here too. I decided to take everything out of here and just leave the candle and then put everything else around. Yeah, there you are. I'm holding it because it's still drying. See? So that's the first one. Here's the sign. I finally finished my spray paint. I've had it for a few months, so I'm glad I finally was able to use it up. But I'm gonna start with gluing on some of these hearts. There. The sign with all the hearts on there. I think I wanted to add a couple flowers. There's the love sign. And then here is the centerpiece. Okay, so those are my 2 items that I made. Again, it was a lot of fun to do. Really hope you enjoyed it and it gave you some ideas. If you are coming over from Sarah's channel, I have a lot of variety here on my channel. Go ahead and take a look and see if there's anything that you like, and I hope you stick around. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'll leave that below as well. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks again to Sarah for collabing with me, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.